How to fix Roblox low memory warning. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox low memory warning. If you are facing this issue on Roblox, then here are several steps you can try to resolve the issue. First of all, check your device storage. Ensure that you have at least 2 GB free in order to smoothly run the Roblox. If the storage is low, you will need to delete unnecessary apps, photos or files to free up the space. Now to check the storage, simply open the settings of your device, swipe down from the top of your screen and then at the top right you'll be able to see the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Once you open the settings, here look for the storage option. Scroll to find the option. If in case you didn't find the option, you may also tap on the search icon at the top right and in the search bar type in storage. And once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it. Now once you open the storage, here ensure that you have enough space for Roblox to run smoothly. Also review the available space and clear any unnecessary files or applications. After that, you can also clear the cache. For that, you will need to come back to the settings homepage and find the application options here. Once you locate it, simply tap on it and then from the list of applications, find the Roblox app. Once you find the Roblox application, simply tap on it to open it and again inside look for the storage option. Scroll to find the option and once you find it, tap on it. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see the clear cache option at the bottom right. Simply tap on it and your cache will be cleared. Also, you can close any unnecessary apps running in the background to free up the RAM. Simply use the Recent App button and swipe away unwanted apps. After doing that, also reduce in-game graphics settings. For that, you will need to open your Roblox application, make sure you are logged into your account, and from the home page of the Roblox application, here you will need to start any game. Simply tap on the game and then tap on the play button at the bottom right. And once you enter this game interface, here you will need to look for the Roblox icon in the top left corner of your screen. Once you find it, tap on it. And then here select the gear or the settings option next to people. By doing so, you'll be able to see various settings. Here you will need to find graphic quality option. Here you will need to look for graphic quality option. And now here you will need to simply tap on this minus icon next to the graphic quality option to lower the settings. Also after doing that, you will be able to fix this issue. Also you can restart your mobile device in order to resolve memory issues. Simply restart your mobile device and then you will be able to fix the issue. You will also need to ensure your device software is up to date to the latest version. And if you continue experiencing the issues, you may uninstall and reinstall the application. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to resolve the low memory warning in Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.